Okay, so we're gonna make some grilled lobster tail, and I'm gonna butterfly the lobster. These are 4-ounce Canadian wild-caught lobster. And so the way you butterfly it, you get started with your scissors, and you get your finger under there to separate the meat from the shell. And you carefully cut. Okay, now you want to separate the meat from the bottom part of the shell. So you gotta get your finger under there too to separate it, and now carefully spread it apart because you don't want it to break. You might get a couple pieces that'll break off, and you want to pull your meat up and push your shell back together as much as you can, and then let your meat sit on the top. Oh, one thing I forgot to mention, you do want to try to break off a couple of these so that you don't have the shell sticking out past the meat. Yeah, that looks fine. You can cut back a little more, but so that's it. I'm grilling the lobster. Now what you want to be sure of is after you've seasoned your lobster, you want to just drop the butter mixture on it. You don't want to brush it off because then you brush your seasoning off. The butter mixture is butter, fresh parsley, fresh cilantro, lemon, some cut up lemon, salt, pepper, some Phillips seafood seasoning. I didn't use Obey on this, Phillips seafood seasoning. And believe it or not, I use a salmon seasoning that I really like the flavor of. So that's what's in here. So, and these won't take too long to cook. Like I said, they're small, 4 ounces, and they won't take too long. I'll take this off. This is going to be our sauce for later, now that it's all cooked and everything. And then we can close this. These will only take, oops, sorry, get that later. Those will only take about a good 10, 15 more minutes to cook. The seafood is cooking in a mixture of butter and olive oil. You want to go ahead and put in your minced garlic, your chopped basil, and your chopped parsley. Add a little bit of salt and fresh ground pepper to taste. You can also add a little bit of crushed red pepper flakes or a little bit of cayenne if you just want a little bit of a kick. For my creamy style scampi, I put a little bit of Parmesan, heavy cream, and pureed shallot. Most people like to put the Parmesan after, but I like a little bit prior.